Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Choba, a political science instructor, and my goal here is to teach students or guide students on their studies. Okay, so if you are new here, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so without further ado, then let's start! Alright, so natapos na natin napag-usapan kung ano ang embodied globalization at kung ano ang disembodied globalization. So ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ang agency extended globalization. Agency extended globalization. So ano ba kaya ito? Alright, so if you have any idea, then please write it down on the comment section. So, an agency extended globalization refers to this. Okay, sabi niya dito, it deals with the dispersion and exchange of agents or representative of various institutions, politics, and organization. So, agency extended globalization, ito yung papalit-palit or pagpapadala ng mga iba't ibang institusyon ng kanilang mga empleyado sa ibang ahensya. So, parang, let's say for example, si employee A, nagtatrabaho sa isang kumpanya na nagpo-produce ng mga gatas, so isang brand ng gatas. So, makikita natin ang agency extended globalization dyan kapag si company A, pinadala niya yung empleyado niya doon sa company B. Okay? So, itong company B, ang produkto nila ay mga sugar or sugar at iba pang mga produkto gaya ng chocolates and other. So, agency extended globalization. Bakit naging agency extended globalization? Dahil ito, si employee A pumunta doon, nag-o-observe siya ng mga ino-obserbahan niya kung ano din yung mga processes nila. Pwede niyang i-absorb yon yung mga process nila. And then, baka si employee B, si company B, nagpadala din ng employee sa company A. Okay? So, merong exchange of employees. Right? So, that is what we call agency extended globalization. So, kahit pala sa mga ganyang bagay ay tinatawag na nating globalization. So, kapag ako mismo, pumunta ako sa isang university, isang sikat na university, tapos yung sikat na university na yan, nagpadala din sa university kung saan ako nagtatrabaho, that is already a globalization. At ang tawag natin dyan ay extended or agency extended globalization. So ako, pumunta ako doon, pwede kong i-share yung lahat ng mga practices ng pinagtatrabahuan kong university. At the same time, I will also observe what is their good and bad practices na pwede kong i-adapt pagbalik ko sa original na university na pinagtatrabahuan ko. Ganyan din sa pinadala ng sikat na university na yan. Okay? So, that is what we call agency extended globalization. So, yung mga bagay pala na yan na ginagawa, globalization na yan. Alright? So, I hope that you have learned a lot again from this tutorial. And if you have any more question or clarification, please don't hesitate to write them down on the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. And also, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Alright, so goodbye everyone!